Today, let's make Dhaba-style channa. For that, I have soaked channa dal overnight. Next day morning, in a pressure cooker, add the soaked channa dals, some cinnamon sticks and bay leaves. Add required amount of water and salt. Pressure cook this for around 20 minutes. Once it is done, open the cooker and remove the bay leaves and cinnamon sticks. In a tawa, heat oil, add onion which is finely chopped. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to it. Sauté it very well until brown. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes and sauté it well. To it add 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, garam masala, jeera powder and amchur powder. Sauté it well until the oil separates. Then take few channa which is cooked and blended to a smooth paste. Add this paste to the onion masala which we prepared. This gives a rich and a thick texture to our masala channa. Once it thickens, add some water to it and check for salt. Sauté it well. Then add the cooked channa to it. Mix it well. If you feel it's too thick, add some more water. Then add coriander leaves to it and remove it from the stove. Now fry 2 green chilies in oil. Add it to the channa masala. Your masala channa is ready. You can serve it with naan, roti, bhatur etc. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Today, let's start making soft butter naan. It's super soft and not chewy. For that, I'm taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To it, I'm adding required amount of salt. Then, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 2½ tablespoon of yogurt, and mix well. Add little water if required. Make a soft and smooth dough and keep it aside for at least 1 hour. Apply some ghee on top and close it. Now, after 1 hour, let's start rolling the naan. I am making around 1 today. Add some kalanji seeds and coriander leaves on the top and press it. Now start rolling the naan. Once it is done, heat a tawa and add in the naan and cook on both the sides. Then apply some ghee and finish it. Yummy soft butter naan is ready to serve with your favorite paneer, chole, chicken curry of your choice. PLS like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.